Today in this conference, we are discussing on GST and various aspects of GST, how it can impact our traders, our communities, and what is it for business. How can they do these compliances very effectively and make sure that we contribute to the nation building. There are a lot of changes that have come in the GST, and every time these changes come, we do these programs so that we can create awareness amongst our members, and therefore they can serve the entire trade, especially MSMEs, startups, entrepreneurs in a very effective manner. Today we have also launched a very important program called Train, Earn, Learn, and I want to invite all the commerce students of the Goa to come and be a part of this wonderful program. It is a 36-hour course that we have launched, in which we are explaining and we are teaching. A chartered accountant will teach you how to file income tax return, how to do a GST, how to do TDS, how to understand bank statements, how to use Excel and Tally on live data. After doing this course, you will be given a certificate by the Western India Regional Council, and we will then give you an opportunity to do internship with our CA offices. The Goa branch will therefore ensure that you get placed as intern in CA offices and you work there for 1 year.
Chairman WRC has already explained about the CA course. As far as Goa is concerned, we have covered most of the technical issues. Now we are having on 27th a startup event in collaboration with Government of Goa, a startup Goa, and IT Minister will be present there. We'll have one-day workshop where we will be inviting various colleges, unicorn sectors to explain how the startups can take up. So we are taking the lead in that.